Welcome to Straight Up. I'm Akshay Panchal, and I hope you all are safe and sane. I'm live again with a lot of questions for our today's guest. Here she is, the elegantly beautiful, gorgeous dancer performer, the girl with a pure heart, and it's Simi Talsania. Welcome to Straight Up. How are
Thank
you?
you.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Have been keeping up with the last 2 days, but yeah, I'm better. Quarantine, I think I am very happy with this quarantine, to be very honest, because I wanted such a break like forever.
I
Like
know.
just better ghar pe, spend time with family, and I think push yourself to do something that you've never thought of. I think I always wanted to do this. So I'm very
Right.
happy with quarantine.
I know we all needed a break. The world needed a break, and
The world in the break, yes.
या किसी को सोचने के लिए टाइम नहीं था, सब सिर्फ भाग रहे थे लाइफ की रेस में. आई हैव सीन यू हैव बीन डांसिंग फॉर क्वाइट अ लॉन्ग टाइम नाउ. व्हाट आर योर फ्यूचर प्लान्स, लाइक डांसिंग से रिलेटेड है या और भी कुछ साइड बाय साइड चल रहा है?
अभी मुझे ऑनेस्टली बहुत टाइम हो गया है टू juggle two professions at once. Like one is dancing and one is psychology. So I personally want to focus more on dancing because I think that is it fills my soul. It just makes me feel like the happiest person. So I really want to dig myself more. I am not going to study. I am done studying. Like I am done.
You're a part of House of Suraj. How do you feel? How did that happen? Like,
House of Suraj was one of the most randomest things I've ever got in my life. TJ calls me. She's like, Kumari is auditioning for House of Suraj for Dance Plus. She's thinking, and I think she wants people from India. So I want you to audition. I was like, what? Oh my God, it's Kumari Suraj. She was Kumari. She was the Kumari Suraj for me.
right.
And then she understood that she wanted me, and that's how I got into House of Suraj.
How was the experience of Dance Plus? Like overall, this was your first TV show, right?
Akash knows it very.
आकाश को सब पता है. आकाश भगवान है.
I think it was life-changing for me. It was a very, very big leap of faith. And I think I was blessed with that opportunity and meeting Akash and the entire team, Puneet. I think I will never forget that chance that Kumari gave me. And I think it was a blessing.
I'm
Thank
following
you.
you since like years. 6-8
Yeah,
साल हो गए.
अक्षय.
जब से
हम
Instagram आया
बहुत
तब से.
फॉर्मली बात कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, I know.
हम बहुत एक दूसरे को बहुत टाइम से जानते हैं. अक्षय, oh now I got some memories of you coming to KC and teaching us that turn
I
down
know.
forward.
यार
Such a disaster,
बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता है
man.
पैसे कमाने के लिए.
पता है.
नहीं, it was
पता
fun.
है.
It was fun. But फिर भी नहीं जीते तुम लोग. I guess तुम जीते नहीं जीते कोई भी
नहीं.
फेस्ट. Crazy. Is it fair if a solo contestant wins in a TV dance show against the group, trio, duo? What is your opinion on this?
Oh, wow. That's a good question. So I personally feel that when the format is such, you don't see whether it's a group or whether it's a soloist.
Yeah,
That
right.
a group is one contestant. I feel it's not unfair. It's how you see it and how people are understanding.
If you get an opportunity, with who would you like to do a dance collab video?
I would love to do a collab with. Fuck, it's so difficult to answer one.
Nobody would say no to you, but still.
No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
ऐसे है, मेरे को पूछ, मैं आ जाऊंगा यार.
Ajaban करते हैं. This Kamila Lil K, she's a movement artist.
Okay.
And she's amazing. I love her, and yeah. And if it would have been a whacker, then Lip J यार. मतलब उसको मतलब मैं नहीं beat कर सकती.
All right. Let's move on to our next set of questions. This or that. You have to select one option from the two options. Photo shoot or dance video shoot you enjoy the most?
Photo shoot.
Sari or bikini you think suits you the most?
Sari.
Freestyle or choreography you prefer?
Freestyle.
Dance or friends? What would you give up?
None.
Marriage or career?
Career.
Beard or clean shave?
Clean shave.
Okay, next one. Drunk call with ex or drunk sex with a stranger. What would you choose not to?
Drunk all next.
All right. Name or money?
Name or money?
Hmm.
Name.
Love or money?
Uh, both. Very
All right.
important.
You have over 90K followers on Instagram. Like, how do you feel? Is it like a big responsibility or something?
I feel it's a responsibility in a way, but in a way that I have to put out the right information. I don't do anything to entertain them. I just want to put out the right information about things that I do, like
Right.
the right information about backing, and I am doing that, and that has costed me the reduction of people because they, when they saw me and they got to know about me, they only thought that I was like a cute girl coming on Dance Plus and she's going to
Right.
entertain us after Dance Plus, and that's why they followed me. But that isn't my goal. That's never been my goal.
Do you think Instagram followers defines a person?
No, not at all.
All right. What do you do to be real on social sites or on Instagram?
You must have seen my stories. To be real, I think ये ना बहुत tricky question है. तो मैं सिर्फ इतना बोलना चाहूँगी that to be real is not that difficult also on social media. It's
Yeah.
not.
Right.
It's how you see yourself when you see yourself in the mirror. It's
Right.
just like that.
Tell me, how were your dating experiences?
My overall dating experiences have been extremely rangeen. Like बहुत
Oh.
varieties there, variety. Every time I meet and I detach from someone, it's not that I feel that, oh my God, what is this? ये क्या हो गया? I've always found a better side of me. Yes, there have been times that I've cursed that shit, ये कैसे हो गया? ये क्या हो गया? ये क्यों? And stuff like that.
What's your current status?
I'm single.
Do you regret dating someone?
No.
3 things you have learned from all the relationship experiences.
Appreciation, self-love, acknowledgement. I see myself going international and representing myself internationally.
Tell me one of the craziest rumor about yourself you have come across.
That I am double dating, and second is that I got pregnant because yeah.
All right.
Oh God, it was, and that Raghav loves me.
All right, let's move on to the rapid fire round. And
Okay.
so you have to promise me that you will give honest answers and you will be straight up, you will be quick, and you will be like giving true answers.
मेरे Glenn Levitt की swear.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's start. Describe the following people in one word. Kumari Suraj,
Goddess.
Anusha Chaudhary,
Gorgeous.
I know, Mekola Bose.
Oh, firecracker.
All right. One particular thing you do to be real on social media.
To post about my insecurities.
According to you, a couple who defines couple goals.
TJ and Adil, they're very close to me. Yes, they're my best friends, but they're extremely beautiful as a couple. So of course, Ruval and Snehal, I would give them marks. They're
Next question. You are single because?
too much to handle sometimes. It's a very cliche answer, but I'm serious.
Easiest way to win your heart is?
Intellect and humor.
Have you ever saved someone's reputation by not telling your side of the story?
Yes, I have.
All right.
Big time.
If you were on a dating app, what would be your bio?
I'm easygoing, but you cannot take me for a ride.
Give me names of 2 underrated artists.
Vaidehi Sawant. She is a fabulous whacker and she's a very, very old whacker. Personally, I feel Orko from I'm Hip Hop. He's underrated,
Alright.
but he's very talented.
But name 2 overrated artists.
Oh God, this is controversial. uh, to be very honest, I was his very big fan, but now he's very overrated, which is Dharmesh, sir.
All right. Mm-hmm.
Don't let your hunger die. Keep up with your hunger. And also, one very, very important thing, respect your seniors, respect the people who've helped you, been with you in your journey. I think this is like the most fun because uh, I didn't know there were so many known people who are watching us, and thank you for being one of the, like, it was too much fun.
All
And
right.
thank you, Akshay. You know, I've always been on the other side where you are,
Mm-hmm.
and I love talking. I love
I love
hosting.
asking
That's
questions.
me. Nice. So I was very happy to be a part of this, and thank you, Ruel, for being there for the entire session. It's been very long that I've spoken to him also, and it felt good talking and meeting so many people here. And I think the questions that you asked me, I'd never thought myself, so
All
I had to
right.
give like a lot of second thought. So thank you for asking me such nice questions. To be very honest, I'm not trying to like, oh my God, thank you so much. I'm saying the truth. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I always love talking, and this is me. I'm done.
All right. All right. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.
See you. Bye.
All right. Thank you, Ruel. First of all, thank you, Akash Shetty. Thank you, all the people who are live right now and commenting and supporting. I'm just trying to get a conversation out publicly. I just want to talk. That's if you have any suggestions, if you have any feedbacks, just give me like on my DMs or anything. You can text me if you have my number. Yeah, lots of love, peace, take care. Bye bye.